Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving CSR Physical Science online classes for you. So already I discussed in quantum mechanics topics. Today we are discussing operators. What is operator? So we will discuss now. Operators. This is our today topic. Say what is operator? First of all, what is operator? An operator is a mathematical operation which may be applied to a function f of x, which changes the function into another function g of x. See, an operator that is a mathematical operation which may be applied to a function f of x, which changes the function into another function. So operator is nothing but a mathematical operation. For example, this is a function. We are applying operator onto this function. We are getting new function. So this is the operator. This is the function. This is, we are getting new function. So for example, this operator is, the operator is d by dx. So the operand, the function is x power 4. Then if we apply the operator onto this function, d by dx f of x equal to d by dx x power 4, that is equal to 4x cube. So we got new function here. So this is the operator. Operator is nothing but it's a mathematical operation which may be applied to a function. So the operator is applied to a function. We are getting the function is changes to new function but after applying the operator. So I taken here one example here. This is the operator d by dx. The function is x power 4. After operator applying to the function, we are getting new function. This is the what is operator I discussed here. So next, operators which are operators used in quantum mechanics are linear operators. So which are operators we are using in quantum mechanics? Those are all linear operators. So this is about what is operator. Next we are moving operator algebra of linear operators. See the operator algebra of linear operators. So first one here, sum of the operators. See sum of the operators if A and B are two operators, two linear operators. The sum of these two operators, that is C equal to A plus B. So sum of these two operators, the value is operator C. So the C operator is also nothing but linear operator. Initially A and B are two linear operators. The sum of these two operators also is a linear operator. So what I am trying to say here, A and B are two linear operators. The sum of these two linear operators is also a linear operator. For example, so C is the operator, is sum of two linear operators, Psi is a function. The operator I am applying to the wave function psi. Then C psi, A psi, B psi. This is the, we are getting this one. So here what I am trying to say here, sum of the two operators is also a linear operator. If A and B are two linear operators, the sum of the two operators also linear operator. If you apply to the wave function, we will get like this value, C psi equal to A psi plus B psi. Next, so second, this one in algebra, second concept, that is multiplication of operators. So operator algebra, in this heading, second one is multiplication of operators. Multiplication of operators. So here, multiplication of a linear operator with a constant. Here A is a linear operator, small a is constant. So you multiply a linear operator with a constant, is also a linear operator. See, if A is a linear operator and small a is a constant, so the multiplication of A and A is also a linear operator. So if we apply psi, we will get, so this is a multiplication of operators. Simply, is an operator, is a constant, the multiplication of these two also a linear operator. Here in the third one, the algebra third concept, product of operators. Third one is product of operators. Product of operators. That means the product of two operators. The product of two operators A and B need not be necessarily identical to the BA. That means the product of two operators is A and B are linear operators. The product of these two operators, that is equal to AB, need not be equal to BA. So here the order is different. A comes first, then it takes B. Here B comes first, then takes A. So the order is reversed here. So the product of A and B is need not be equal to B. P and A, product of P and A. That means AB not equal to BA. So if the order is very important, which is the first, which is the second. So it's not equal. AB not equal to BA. So if you take x d by dx, x is an operator, d by dx is an operator. So d by dx x is not equal to here. This is one example. X d by dx not equal to d by dx x. So this is not equal. So the order is important here. So product of operators, that is AB not equal to BA. We have the fourth concept here, commutator. Commutator. This is very important in the algebra. Commutator. 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 The operator AB minus BA is called commutator. The operator AB minus BA is called commutator. This total we are calling commutator. A, B minus BA. A and B here linear operators. AB minus BA is whole. The total is called commutator. So we call commutator of two operators, that A and B. So commutator of A and B, that is equal to AB minus BA. This is commutator of two operators A and B. If AB minus BA equal to 0. What I am trying to say here, if A and B are two linear operators, then AB minus BA is called commutator of these two operators. Okay. So next case is, if AB minus BA equal to 0, if the value is commutator of these two operators is 0, it is 0. What it means? The two operators A and B are called as commutating operators. So if AB minus BA equal to 0, then we can say the two operators are commutating operators. So if A and B linear operators, AB minus BA is commutator, the value of commutator is 0, then the two operators are commutating operators. So that means AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. This is commutating operators. See, already we discussed in third concept, product of two operators. Here, there I said AB not equal to BA. But here I am saying AB equal to BA. Generally, AB not equal to BA is correct. If AB equal to BA, then these two operators are commutating operators. This is the concept I discussed today about operators. So next class we will discuss some more concepts. Before going to summing of this class, please subscribe my channel Smart Academy for more videos. So we are planning to give CSR Physical Science classes for target 2021 series. Thank you.